Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komalkar Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today I am here to teach you English grammar. In this we will revise chapter 11 has, have, had and picture reading. First we will revise chapter 11 has, have and had. So open your book, take out page number 48. Children, we use the verb has and have to show that something belongs to someone. Okay? So children, when do we use has have? We use has have when we have to show belongingness, that this particular thing belongs to someone. Okay? And we use has and have for present tense, means things which are going on at present time. Okay? We use has with he, she, it and all singular nouns, and we use have with I, you, we, they and all plural nouns. Okay. Now let us see example of has first. So example of has, we use has with he, she, it and all singular nouns. Okay. Example is Ram has a notebook. So children, here the sentence tells us that notebook belongs to Ram, and Ram is a singular noun, singular person. Okay, he is one person, so we have used has with Ram. Okay, one more example. She has a doll. So children, we use pronoun she for girl. Okay, and here we are talking about one girl, so we used has with she. She has a doll. So here doll is showing belongingness to whom? Doll is showing belongingness to this girl. Okay. Now we will learn about have. Okay, we use have with I, you, we, they and all plural nouns. Okay, what are plural nouns? Nouns which are more than one. Okay, now let us see example of have. Example of have is girls have their own girls have their own drawing kit. Okay, so here we are talking about girls, that is more than one girl. Okay, so we use have with girls. Okay, girls have their own drawing kit. Here drawing kit belongs to girls, so have shows, has and have show belongingness to someone. Okay, children, now we will learn about had. So children, we use had to show something belonged to someone. Okay, we use had for past tense to show belongingness that happened in past times. Okay, things which is already happened. Okay, now children, we use had with he, she, it and you, we, they and all singular nouns and plural nouns, that means all nouns and all pronouns. Okay, now children, let us see example of had. Okay, children, there are few words that shows you that things are happening in past, like previous, earlier, yesterday, last year, last day. These all words shows you that this has already happened in past. Okay, now let us see example of had. I had a red doll in my childhood. So children, you all can see, now I am a big girl, I am your teacher, right? So here I am talking about past time, thing which has already happened in past, that I had a red doll in my childhood. So children, here we use had to show belongingness to the things which are already happened in past. Okay, now children, look at one more example. Earlier John had a pet dog. Okay, so this sentence shows that a boy named John earlier had a pet dog. So children, here also we used had to show things which are already happened in past. Okay, so earlier that dog belonged to John. So children, there are words we use to show past tense. What are those words? Words like earlier, last year, last day, previous and yesterday. Okay, these all words shows us that something has happened in past. Okay, so children, now we will revise book exercise of this chapter. Open your book, take out page number 49. Question A. Use has, have or had in the following paragraph. Okay, so children, when paragraph is given to you, you have to fill with has, have or had. We already know that we use has and have for present tense and had for past tense. So children, first you have to read the sentence carefully, then you have to judge whether the sentence is of present tense or past tense, then you have to use has, have or had. Okay, now look over here. Neha lives next door. She dashed 3 pets. So children, here we are talking about a girl called Neha. She lives next door. She has 3 pets. Here we use has because we are talking about one girl named Neha. Okay, we have learned that we use has with singular nouns. Okay, now she dashed 1 dog and 2 puppies. So she, again we are talking about Neha, one girl, so she has 1 dog and 2 puppies. The dog dash long ears. Now we are talking about dog, one dog, again we use has. Okay, the dog has long ears, the puppies dash short ears. Now children, we are talking about puppies, more than 1 puppy. So what we will use? We will use have. Okay, H-A-V-E, have, because we are talking about more than 1 puppy, so we use have. The puppies have short ears. Earlier she dashed a fish bowl too. So children, look over here, the word is given to you. Which word is this? Earlier. We have learned that words like earlier, last year, previous day, yesterday, all these words show past tense. Okay, so earlier she had a fish bowl too. We used had for past tense. So earlier she had a fish bowl too. Her parents gave it to her on her birthday last year. So children, this paragraph is over. Now children, we move to question B. Let us revise question B. Question B, page number 49. Okay. So question is fill in the blanks with the verbs has, have or had. So children, some sentences are given to you. You have to fill the blanks using has, have or had. Number 1 is Leela dash a new dress Leela dash a new red dress, R-E-D, red dress. She wears it. She wears it very often. So children, here we are talking about one girl, Leela. So we have learnt whenever we have to use singular noun, we use has with singular noun. Okay, Leela has a new dress. She wears it very often. Okay. Now look at number 2. All the boys dash their own cricket bat. Their own cricket bats. Here in this sentence we are talking about all the boys, more than one boy. So children, and this sentence is of present tense. You can see there are no such words like previous day, last year, yesterday. So this sentence is of present tense. Okay, all the boys dash their own cricket bats. So here we are talking about more than one boy. That means plural form. So we used have with boys. Okay, all the boys have their own cricket bats. Okay, now look at number 3. Yesterday Raman was absent. Yesterday Raman was absent. He dash fever. So children, look over here. This sentence is of past tense because the word yesterday is given to you. Yesterday Raman was absent. He dash fever. He had fever, because we have learnt whenever a sentence of past tense comes, we use had with all pronouns and nouns. Okay. Question C, page number 49. Fill in the blanks using the correct verb from the bracket. So children, verbs are given to you in a bracket. You have to choose which one is correct and fill the blank. Okay. Look at number 1. My mother dash in bracket has and have is given to you. Okay. The car keys. So children, in this sentence we are talking about my mother, one lady. Okay, because here we are talking about mother, one lady. So we used has with it. Okay, so correct answer is has. My mother has the car keys. Okay, now look at number 2. Rajat dash in bracket had and has is given to you. Rajat dash 2 balloons yesterday today he, again there is a dash and in bracket, have and has is given to you, only one. So children, look over here, look very carefully. Here we are talking about one boy, Rajat, but yesterday is given to you in a sentence. So this sentence is of past tense, okay. Rajat had 2 balloons yesterday, because we have learned that with past tense we use had. So Rajat had 2 balloons yesterday, today. Now children, in next sentence we are talking about present tense, okay. Look over here, today is given to you. Today he has only one, okay. So children, here we are talking about one boy, Rajat. So we will write has over here, okay. Rajat had 2 balloons yesterday, today he has only one, okay. Now children, look at number 3. I dash in bracket has and have is given to you. 5 red roses. So children, here this sentence is of past tense or present tense? This sentence is of present tense, and in present tense we always use have with I, okay. So I have 5 red roses, okay. Children, now we will revise picture reading. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. So children, look at this picture. Which picture is this? This is picture of a picnic to a park, okay. So here one family is there who has been to a picnic, okay. Where they have been to? They have been to park for a picnic, okay. So look over here, what can you see? It is a beautiful sunny day. There are mother and father with baby on the bench. One boy is here, okay. What he is doing? He is trying to slide, okay. And here you can see one boy and a girl with a doll. Cycle is over here, cat is there, there is picnic basket with a mat lying on the grass. Then there is a dog. And what is dog doing? Look over here, dog is running with something in its mouth. What is it? Look, this is orange color carrot in its mouth, okay. There are toys lying there, beautiful flowers are there, different color flowers are there, trees are there. So this is a picture of a picnic at park, okay. Now children, we will do some question based on this picture, okay. Answer the following questions. Question 1, which picture is this? So children, look over here. Which picture is this? Answer is, this is a picture of a picnic, okay. I'll write it for you on board. This is a picture of a picnic, okay. So which picture is this? This is a picture of a picnic, okay. Now let us move to our second question. Second question is, who is crying? So children, look at this picture. Who is crying? They are crying? No, they are having a good time here. So look over here, a girl in purple top, she is crying, okay. So who is crying? A girl is crying. Okay, I'll write answer for you. A girl is crying. Okay, now next question is, what is father doing? So look at the picture. What is father doing here? You can see father and mother. So father is holding a book in his hand. So father is reading. Okay, so correct answer is father is reading a book. Okay, father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father is reading. What is spelling of reading? R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Father is reading a book. Okay, B-O-O-K, book. Now children, we'll move further. Now we will do fill in the blanks based on this picture. Number 1 is, mother is holding her dash in her arms. So look here children, what you can see? Here you can see mother. What is mother holding in her arms? Mother is holding her baby in her arms. Okay, I'll write it here for you. Mother is holding her baby in her arms. Okay, spelling of baby is B-A-B-Y, baby. Mother is holding her baby in her arms. Okay, now children, look at number 2. Dog is running with a dash in its mouth. We will switch to picture. Look over here. Where is dog? This is dog? No, here a white color dog. Okay, so a dog is running with a carrot in its mouth. You can see orange red color carrot in its mouth. So a dog is running with a carrot in its mouth. Okay, dog is running with a carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot in its mouth. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed revision of has, have, had and picture reading with me. Now children, keep learning and keep revising. Thank you.